Why do you put so much effort and risk of injury dito sa Sports Fest na alam ko pinaghirapan talaga nyo, pinagtrabahuan nyo, nagkaroon ng passion, nagkaroon ng aggressiveness kayo, nagkaroon ng desire to win. Because after all, life is about competition eh. Meron kang gustong gawin. Leadership, teamwork, communication, nagkaroon ka ng passion, di ba? So, itong lahat na to ay natututunan natin sa ating mga Sports Fest. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Kung ganun lahat ang tingin natin sa ating trabaho, ay mag-iiba ang ating kinabukasan.
Change to be home. And the moment that you had a doubt, I took it back from your head. Feeling that we both felt, the nights that we both let go.
Umpisa pa lang, gets namin yung gusto nyo. Tandaan nyo, gets ng Santras ang bawat isa sa atin. Gets namin yung gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay nyo, sa karir nyo, at sa mga wishes nyo sa inyong buhay. At sana, mag-gets natin na ang gusto ng Santras from all of us is to embrace our vision, our mission, and our creed, which is number one among others, is yung malasakit. Malasakit sa kumpanya, malasakit sa bawat isa, malasakit sa ating tahanan, which is Santras.
So let's make it our what we found. I never want to get so close. Feeling that we both felt, the nights that we both let go. I can feel it in the air. Our lives are covered in mystery. We're gone before we both know. The California sunshine, I can see it as a light. My love dropped as we go.
As we celebrate our 27th year dito sa Santras, number one is to have many more 27 years together. Na kung nung araw, tayo ay ang tinutulungan, tayo naman ang maraming matutulungan. As we always emphasize that we will always embrace that attitude of gratitude.
Let down from all the motion. So cold, you say you were chosen. I imagine we never alone. No. Feeling that we both felt.
That whatever happens to the company depends on us. Kung ito ay Sports Fest, we must have to win over the challenges besetting the company, yung sa buhay natin, so that we can contribute more, because whatever happens in this company comes back to us. We are the company. We are the company.